Lavish 10-course meals were the norm for first-class passengers aboard the Titanic. Drinks were meticulously paired, including this shaved ice concoction popularized by a famed French chef, Georges Auguste Escoffier. Prepare a lemon twist garnish. Chill a coupe and put to one side. Collect a blender cup. To this, add egg white, which will give this cocktail a lovely light and aerated mouthfeel. Next is equal measures of sugar syrup and fresh lemon juice. Pierre Ferrand Dry Orange Curacao was crafted in consultation with famed cocktail historian David Wondrich. It is a traditional French triple sec that is rich, complex and balanced. Jawbox Classic Dry Gin is produced just outside of Belfast in a vast 300-acre estate that is not only home to the distillery, but also the fields where the grain for their spirit is grown and harvested. The final flourish is Piper Heidsieck Monopole Champagne. Add half a scoop of cubed ice. Blend for 30 seconds or until smooth. Open. Dip taste. Remove ice from the coupe. Pour. Express lemon zest over the top of the cocktail. Rinse equipment and replace. Present and serve.